As a beginner motorcycle rider, there can be a desire to want to learn all the skills as quickly as possible so you can get out and have fun on your bike. But there's some skills that take time and experience to develop, and by trying to rush the process, you can miss things and even get yourself killed. So in this video, we're covering 10 essential road skills that bikers develop over time. Number 1, recognizing traffic patterns. Recognizing traffic patterns is crucial for motorcyclists because it enables them to anticipate and react to potential hazards more effectively. By understanding the flow of traffic, motorcyclists can predict the behavior of other drivers, such as a sudden lane change, braking, or hesitation. This heightened awareness allows riders to make safer decisions, avoid collisions, and navigate through traffic smoothly. Number 2, multitasking. Multitasking is crucial on a motorcycle because riders must simultaneously manage various tasks such as throttle control, braking, gear shifting, and maintaining balance while constantly scanning the road for potential hazards. Unlike car drivers who can rely on comfort features, motorcyclists need to be fully engaged and alert at all times. Effective multitasking ensures that riders can react quickly to unexpected situations, maintain stability, and make safe decisions. Number 3, following distance. Maintaining a safe following distance on a motorcycle is crucial for several reasons. It provides necessary reaction time to avoid collisions, enhances visibility for both the rider and other drivers, allows for better maneuvering around road hazards, prevents abrupt and risky maneuvers, and reduces the risk of rear-end collisions. The Motorcycle Safety Foundation recommends a minimum 3-second gap between the motorcycle and the vehicle ahead to ensure optimal safety and control on the road. This practice helps riders stay alert and prepared for sudden changes in traffic conditions. Number 4, fast reflexes. Fast reflexes and precise maneuvers are vital for motorcycle riders because they enable quick and accurate responses to sudden changes in road conditions or traffic patterns. These skills allow riders to effectively navigate obstacles, avoid potential hazards, and maintain control of their bikes in challenging situations. Number 5, mastering blind spot awareness. Blind spot awareness is crucial for bikers because it enables them to detect other vehicles that may not be visible in their mirrors, reducing the risk of collisions during lane changes or merges. By consistently checking blind spots through head checks, riders ensure that they are fully aware of their surroundings. This practice is vital because motorcycles are smaller and less visible to other drivers, making blind spot checks an essential part of defensive riding. Number 6, making instant adjustments to road conditions. Being able to make instant adjustments to any road conditions is crucial for motorcycle riders because it enables them to respond quickly to unexpected changes, such as black ice, loose gravel, or uneven pavement. These hazards can pose significant risks, and the ability to adapt swiftly helps riders maintain control and stability, preventing accidents. Constantly scanning the road and being attuned to surface textures allows motorcyclists to navigate safely through various environments. Number 7, executing lane changes. Executing lane changes is an important skill to develop for motorcycle riders because it requires precise control, early signaling, and accurate positioning to safely navigate through traffic. Unlike car drivers who can rely on blind spot monitors, motorcyclists must depend on their own awareness and judgment to avoid collisions. This skill is vital for adapting to changing traffic conditions and maintaining a safe distance from other vehicles. Number 8, reading driver behavior. Being able to read the behavior of other drivers on the road is important for you as a motorcycle rider because it enables you to anticipate and respond to potential hazards on the road. By interpreting subtle cues such as a driver adjusting mirrors, tapping the brakes, or gripping the steering wheel tightly, motorcyclists can predict the actions of other drivers and take proactive measures to avoid accidents. This heightened awareness allows riders to make safer decisions, maintain better positioning, and navigate traffic more effectively. Number 9, parking and low-speed maneuvering. Parking and low-speed maneuvering are essential motorcycle skills because they require precision, balance, and control, which are crucial for navigating tight spaces and avoiding obstacles. Mastering these skills allows riders to confidently perform maneuvers such as parallel parking and U-turns without losing stability or control. Additionally, practicing low-speed techniques enhances overall spatial awareness and helps riders develop a better feel for their motorcycle's handling. These abilities are vital for safe safe and efficient riding, especially in congested or confined areas. Number 10, detecting peripheral threats. Detecting peripheral threats is crucial for motorcyclists because it enables them to identify potential hazards from all directions, such as vehicles merging or pedestrians stepping into the road. By constantly scanning their surroundings and using their peripheral vision, riders can react more quickly and effectively, ensuring their safety and preventing accidents. Are there any other essential road skills that you can think of? Let us know in the comments. But what if there's something else that's holding you back from learning all these skills? Well, then watch this video next to learn how to conquer fear on a motorcycle once and for all and never be scared while riding again.